Because I can't see. They look pretty. They super big.
That's all that for today. So now we're gonna try the cookie. It's very crunchy. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I give it 4
You gave it a 4 out of 10, bud? What's wrong with it? Why you gave it a 4 out of 10? It's alright? Yeah. How it taste, Sam?
Good.
What you rate it? A 1 out of 10?
1
10 being the best and 1 being the lowest.
10 out of 10.
You want to do 10 out of 10?
I like it.
Thumbs up. Do thumbs up in the camera. That's good. All right.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to get to y'all in the next video.
My baby cooked some cookies. Look.
They look
That's the
pink.
bottom of the cookie.
To me, I think they look pink, but this the top
This the top of, you see it?
of my cookie.
The top of the cookie.
Now we're going to do the taste test.
And I wanted to join them in tasting their cookies. If you guys ever had the Funfetti cookies
Put them inside of it.
before,
Yeah, it's all.
comment down below.
Yeah. Did you ever try it?
If you ever had the Funfetti
Cookies.
cookie dough mix, because we always have the Funfetti pancake
mix.
But comment down below if you guys ever tried it.
Now you finna taste it.
If you see our video, please like, comment, and share something that my kids don't do.
My mama trying it. I taste it.
Huh?
I taste it. No, I try it.
Mm-hmm.
What you give it?
10 out of 10.
Oh, it's busting, y'all.
It's busting.
Mom, I taste it.
Thank you.
So yeah, I'm gonna do my own taste test now. My cookie. My own cookies I made by myself. Actually pretty good, y'all. Pretty good. I give this a 10 out of 10. Make sure y'all follow my YouTube page. I like hip hop now. DaHarrisHouse. DaHarris Cooking. I'm gonna get to y'all in the next banger.